In a sunlit neighborhood, a small repair cafe opens where neighbors bring broken gadgets and leave with working ones after quick fixes. A retired mechanic teaches soldering and upcycling, turning old radios into electricity for a bustling community workshop. Residents start composting scraps, building vermicompost bins in a shared backyard, feeding the soil instead of landfills. A solar-powered library rides on a borrowed cargo bike, delivering books and spreading tips on thrift, repair, and mindful buying. When the town saves money in trash, they discover sustainable living is a network, not a habit, growing with every shared tool and story.